We have new information tonight and a construction site shooting in southwest Denver. Police say the site manager shot and killed a man and woman who were breaking into the property. It happened at this construction site on West Bellevue near Wadsworth this afternoon. DPD says the site manager found 2 people inside, possibly burglarizing the location. Police say the 2 people assaulted the site manager, who then pulled out a gun and shot them. The man died on scene. The woman died at the hospital. Now, DPD says no arrests have been made and the site manager is cooperating.